Hello, welcome to another edition of the Nova Video Changelog series. My name is Robert Atwood, co-founder and CEO here at Nova, and I'm excited to walk us through the newest changes to version 3.8. And really, we're going to focus today on the PDF generation tool. First of all, what is Nova? Nova is a cloud-based GIS platform that makes it really easy for drone operators to create powerful products quickly. Today, we're going to be looking at a wildland fire example, but we know that people are using PDF maps for a huge range of different applications. So we're really excited to get this change out and get the added customization and power into your hands. So let's jump into it. I'm going to come up here to the top left. I'm going to go create, and I'm going to come down to generate PDF. Now, when I first click generate PDF, our main template here, pretty standard. We're used to seeing this. But what's changed is over on the right, we have actually all across the app, we have now this dark theme. And we can see here that we've moved all of the different features that we can turn on and off on the PDF into a list view. So I can turn them on just as easily as I could before. They're a little bit more compact. It's a little bit easier on smaller screens. But all of the classics are still here. And I can navigate them really simply. Now, one big request we've had for a while is the ability to move our map off north. So I can now rotate my map as I want to be able to get it in whichever directional orientation that I want. And then if I want to reset it, I can click just down here on the compass. Oh, that's not working. I can click down here on this compass and have it reset to where it's supposed to be. Now, the really big changes are coming up here in the top left. Before we only had 8.5 by 11 and 11 by 17, but we now also support 24 by 36 and 36 by 48, which means if you have a plotter and you're doing big operational maps, you can hang them up on the wall and retain all of the quality. Next up, we have this dark mode. So we have a lot of users accessing our maps at night. And if you don't want to be looking on your phone at a big white background on your map, you can flip this over to black and it looks really cool. Next, I've got our layout. So up until this point, we've only had landscape orientation and right legend, but we now have portrait and bottom as well. So I can quickly, depending on what my map looks like or what my incident looks like, I can adjust the size of my map, its orientation, and how it sits. This is really great, but the really big one is our new save as default. So prior to this, all of our templates only saved at a project level. But now what you can do is if you've gone through and you've adjusted what you want your map to look like, and you want to save this for future projects anywhere in your workspace, you can go save as default, and anytime you create a map, it's going to default to these settings. Now, let's go generate this map. And what we're going to see now is a bit more of a dedicated panel over here on the left so that we can watch not only the progress of our PDF map being generated, but once it's complete, it gives us a thumbnail. So as we're on an operation and we're there for subsequent days and we've seen hundreds and hundreds of maps and projects, we can now start organizing them and we can get a quick reference based on this PDF thumbnail. So we'll see this in just a second here. We can see this is the PDF I've just made. I've got a quick view. And when I click on it, I actually get a more in-depth view of the preview. So I can make sure that the map I'm downloading is the one that I want. And if I had multiple maps here, I can right-click on them and turn them into groups. We're really excited about the PDF changes. I really hope you guys are too. If you have feedback, you find bugs, let us know. We'd love to change them. And before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps us out. Thank you.